Scotty. I figured out the title for this video before we even shoot it.
Okay.
Worn out studs.
Okay.
And sloppy BJs.
Oh, hell yeah.
Anyway.
Well, what I was trying to show everybody earlier, and I probably wasn't thorough enough, and I really wasn't, that's one of the first two ones that I noticed. They're not supposed to be round.
No.
They're truly not.
No.
So that goes right there, so you can see it.
Yep, that goes there.
And then that's how they're supposed to be.
Yes.
Because at eccentric, when you put your bolt in...
Wow, that's...
Sorry. That's how bad this is.
Yeah. Now,
Okay,
these were covered in schmutz and goop and everything else.
And
so
then here we go. Wait, hold on. That one's a little bit better. But you can see the concept. If you turn the bolt, you turn the eccentric so that you can move the arm in
and
or out for cast and camber and getting your alignment proper. Well, I always put things back together and I mark them so they're bagged up. And if I have to refer to them at any point, I know, okay, yep, there's the parts I needed. So I went, okay, well, let's put the bolts back on. You ready?
Oh, the nuts. Yeah. So, boys, do that again. I just want to...
I'm going to slide a stud into a hole.
Okay, so let me reiterate here.
And it's not just that one. Hold on. Wait. Ready? That's how bad these things were worn out.
Yes.
It was the schmutz on the bolts and the rust holding these things in place.
Yeah, because that's... Look at that.
I mean, and just to give you guys a good...
Lord.
Hold on. This one's the most obvious. Can you see that?
Yes. Oh, my God. Okay. This is another thing that...
Would I be wrong in saying that it should have been addressed
years ago?
The previous shop?
Well, yeah, but they didn't even address that the ball joint or the bushings were bad in the arm. And obviously, if you're going to address the bushings, you'd have
addressed this, right? Exactly.
But you know, they didn't grease the new ball joints that they put.
Oh
on.
yeah, wait! You ready?
Oh yeah, here we go. Sloppy BJs. Sloppy BJs.
Okay, so this one is the front one. Driver's side front. So nothing's been done. It's still exactly the way I pulled it off.
Yeah.
There's not a lick of grease coming out of that hole.
Yeah, there isn't grease anywhere.
Now, let's take the boot up. Boot's in pretty good condition.
Boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants and
pots and pans, what?
Pots and pans, boots and pants.
That's no more than factory grease.
Yeah.
That should not turn
that easily.
You ready?
Go in and out with it. Ooh, sloppy BJs. I go in and out with it. Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can. Yeah, you probably can't because it's not a lot.
Yeah, but you can hear it. It's making that macaroni and cheese sound.
Yeah, exactly. So, this, in my opinion, humble or not, I don't care, should have been addressed at the previous shop. We know that.
You're not humble. You're full of yourself. It's full of something.
This should have been addressed at the previous shop, and it wasn't.
Well, they just didn't grease it because somebody forgot. That's lack of paying attention.
Well, that's lack of responsibility as a mechanic. Now, I'm not stating I'm better than anybody. I'm not. By no means. I'm not stating that. I've made my mistake.
Fan states that. Though.
Well, you know, hey, someone's got to have at least one fan blade working.
Oh my God.
But, and I'm not stating I'm any better than anybody else. I just see things from a different point of view.
Plain and simple. There's a whole lot of safety issues right off the bing bang.
This is one side. So let's do this.
Well, this is both
One,
sides.
2, 3.
The bolts are both
4.
sides. But
let's do that there. That's one side.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a phone call. It was Zach next door, which is good. We always answer for Zach and Victor and my mom.
Yeah, we take care of our own.
Zach, Victor, my mom. If Bernsey called right now, I'd be like, "You interrupted a video, you asshole!"
Mouth.
After I just said in the last video, I'm too over this shit. Now you're
that mouth. I didn't hear you say that. We have to clean it up.
You did. You said it was hilarious.
Well, I'll let that one go. One.
You're being a punk today.
I know. But yeah, I mean
somebody didn't get his allotment of Twinks over the weekend. I see.
I didn't. I only had 2.
What? 2?
Yeah.
$2?
Dollars?
Shout out to O Girl.
Yep.
Anyway, okay, back to where we were.
But this is,
one
I mean,
side of
yeah.
just one side of the car.
Yeah, and I mean, I just noticed this. Let me do it this way.
What do we got going there?
That you're not supposed to be able to turn that.
Yeah, I know. It's like Burnsy's. Never mind. I don't want anybody hitting me.
No, exactly. But yeah, I mean that's just completely, and that's just one ball joint, and that's just one control arm.
Yeah.
There's still one more ball joint to do, and another control arm.
Yeah.
The bushings on this car were utterly destroyed.
Yeah. So why wouldn't you do that job? They're right there in your face, especially if you're replacing the ball joints.
Yep.
I know we're beating a dead horse with this, but you know what?
I know.
It's safety, and we're tired of seeing people with unsafe stuff.
I mean, it's crazy is what it is. I can't, I could not put my name on a car in any way, shape, or form that came in like this, knowing that I worked on it before and it's this bad.
And what sucks is we know who worked on it before, and he's actually a friend of ours. That's what's
confusing.
That's what, because this isn't his type of...
It's not his MO. It's not by no means.
It's not how
Nope.
he usually is.
Nope. I've seen other work that he's done, and I'm looking at it at times going,
It's impeccable.
damn. I mean, just amazing.
But here we are.
It is what it is. Life's going to move on, with or without us.
New ones of these are coming.
Okay.
Fun fact. E-body GM
Right?
and four-wheel drive S10 share the same uppers. It's actually the same front stub. You're like a cat.
Well, no, because we've got a truck on the way to the dumpster, and that's the dump truck for dumpsters.
Not my truck. So, not my circus, not my monkeys.
This is true.
Back to our bolts. We got ones coming. They're on the way.
Yeah.
So
These were...
end of the day, we should have these. But to put the arms on, you can just slide these babies in to just hold it. So you can assemble that. But you got to pull that steering box too.
Yeah. Well, can I at least finish the job that I started instead of you throwing me under the bus for more stuff to do in like 35 seconds?
I asked you to do the box last week before we did the arms, but here we are. It burns when he looks at me like that.
No, that's called, well, you need medication for that, but I'm just saying.
That part doesn't burn. That part's just fine.
It only burns when you pee?
No. Paid a lot of hot sauce. We're cutting up jalapenos and you forget to wash your hands before you...
Oh, I made that mistake once. Oh my God.
You thought you caught something.
I was like, and I hadn't done anything that hour. So it was kind of really weird.
Oh, God. All right. Anyway.
All right, on that note, ladies and gentlemen and Joyms and whatever you wanted to identify or call yourself as, we will let you go.